Narito ang buong detalye kung ano nga bang rason ng biglaang pagpanaw ng original movie queen at veteran actress na si Miss Gloria Romero. Romero died on January 25, 2025 at the age of 91. She was reportedly rushed to St. Luke's Medical Center by her daughter Marites Gutierrez on December 31, New Year 2024, after Romero refused to eat. After a 16-day hospitalization, she was discharged and monitored by a team of medical staff attending to her 24 hours. On January 22, 2025, her blood pressure dropped until her death 3 days after. Her wake was held at the Arlington Memorial Chapel in Quezon City. Karagdagang impormasyon, Manila Mayor Honey Lacuna Pangan declared a 3-day mourning period in honor of Romero, who wrote in part, Manila is grateful to Gloria Romero for having served as a guiding star of Filipino performing arts, culture, and family values. Many people in the entertainment industry also paid tribute to Romero, including media executive Charo Santos Concho, who wrote, Tita Glo had this remarkable way of making everyone around her feel valued and respected. She treated every role with the same reverence. Sadyang nakakalungkot talaga lalong-lalo na sa showbiz industry. Kinalakihan ko ang daygay ng lola ko at ibang mga pelikula na kasama si Miss Gloria Romero, kaya naman talagang nakakasad talaga ang nangyaring ito. Narito naman ang mga detalye kung gusto niyong pumunta dahil may public viewing ang burol ni Miss Gloria Romero sa Quezon City. Narito ang detalye.
Hello, my favorite Isabel. Magnifico, nako, hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Tingnan mo naman siya ngayon, dalagang-dalaga at lalong gumanda. Ganito lang siya kataas nun eh. Awardee pa yung bata na yan. Keep it up, ha. Basta remember, Lola, Tita Gloria, whatever name ang gusto mo, I will always remember you and love you.
Oh my God!
Good luck.